Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Red Magic 8 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. To do it, first you need to open the control panel and of course reduce the brightness. Here you have LED screen, and when LED screen is dimmer, it's consuming a lot of battery power. So then disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you have enabled cooler, so just disable it. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Disable location services. Disable recording. Flashlight if you need flashlight. Disable NFC. Disable 120 Hz. Enable 60 Hz. It's normal for the eyes. Then disable nearby share, disable light strip, I don't know what is it, disable it. Disable all features you don't need right now, okay? This is the banner rule you need to follow. Open settings, find display, and here enable turn on the dark mode, because in the LED screens, in the black places, screen is disabled, so it's not consuming the battery power. Then of course you need to open battery in settings and enable battery saver, and just find schedule, click no schedule for example, or base on percentage, or just click turn on it now. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.